नमस्कार. हेडॉनच्या ह्या आयच्या कार्यावळीत तुमकां सगळ्यांक येवकार. आज म्हजे बरोबर आसात गोंय प्रदेश काँग्रेसीचे अध्यक्ष जॉन बा फर्नांडीस आनी ज्या दिसा सावन तांणी सूत्र घेतल्यात आपल्या हातां भितर त्या दिसा सावन अख्खी काँग्रेसी भितर चर्निंग सुरू जालां. बरें चर्निंग, वायट चर्निंग, वाद जातात, कॉन्ट्रोवर्सी जातात. रिसेंट कॉन्ट्रोवर्सी जाली ती तांणी प्रताप सिंग राणेचेर केल्ले त्या स्टेटमेंटाक लागून. नक्की तांचे तकल्यांत कितें आसा आनी इलेक्शन जेन्ना इतले तोंडार आसा तेन्ना ह्यो कॉन्ट्रोवर्सी फायद्याक पडटल्यो काय लुकसाणीक पडटल्यो हाजेर आमी भासाभास करतले. सर, स्वागत तुमचें. म्हाका सगळ्यांत पयली गजाल म्हाका दिसता रिसेंट कॉन्ट्रोवर्सी वेल्यान स्टार्ट करया. यू मेड अ क्लियर कट स्टेटमेंट एंड अ फेअर स्टेटमेंट. कॉन्सेप्च्युअली इट वॉज व्हेरी फेअर की लेट यंग ब्लड टेक ओवर. आनी पयलीं जे जाणटे आसात तांणी मातशें फाटल्यान रावल्या जाता. आनी ताजे खातीर तुमी प्रताप सिंग राणेचें एग्जाम्पल दिलें. दॅट एग्जाम्पल हॅज नाव स्नोबॉल्ड इंटू अ बिग कॉन्ट्रोवर्सी. How are you looking at it?
No, that's not a controversy. हे आम्ही म्हटलं ते कॉन्टेक्स्टान म्हटलं. एक्झिक्युटिव्ह कमिटी रेझोल्युशन पास केलें PCCच्या वेलकमिंग द स्टेटमेंट ऑफ व्हायस प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ काँग्रेस राहुल गांधी that there will not be any cornering of seats or tickets in the family. त्या बाबतींत प्रेसान म्हाका कडेन विचारलें हें तुमी सुरू कशें करतले, ते त्या जातले मान करतले म्हणून हांवें कितें म्हटलें, राणे बाबान म्हाका सांगलां दॅट दे आर नॉट इंट्रस्टेड. हांवें हें सांगलें प्रेसाक तांकां प्रेज करपाक. राणे बाबा कित्याक तेणें एक एग्जाम्पल दिलो म्हणून. आनी हें हांगा सांगून हांवें दिल्लीनी सांगलेलें. हांवें कॉर्डिनेशन कमिटीन विचारलें आमचे कडेन, मधुसूदन मिस्त्री कमिटी, तेन्ना थंय सांगलें. राणे बाबान ऑब्जेक्शन घेवन रिजायन करूं ना. आनी हें हांवें बऱ्या मनान सांगलेलें लोकांक गमपाक की एक व्यक्ती आसा सिनियर लिडर ताणें ताजें स्वता डिसिजन घेतलां. हेंच हांवें स्पश्ट केल्लें. ताणें रिजायन जावचो, ताणें टिकेट ना घेवची अशें म्हणूं ना. आनी म्हाका कडेन प्रेसान विचारलें,
Why do you think ki Rane camp took it so negatively?
Rane did not take it so negatively.
Rane camp took it.
No, Rane never spoke to me, say anything. I think his son went and misguided the people, saying that I want his father to not to fight election. That is what has been reported.
Yes.
So this is misguiding and, you know, having a vilification campaign, which is because I know when I take this decision, when High Command take this decision, there will be resistance, and this is the resistance.
Why there is resistance?
Because they want to maintain status quo ante, which is not like the people of Goa. We have seen in the electoral debacle last year, and it is not like by congressmen in general, the majority of congressmen, because they feel these are the causes. And हांगाच न्हय, राहुल गांधी कडेन हांव ही चर्चा करून आयिल्लो. जेन्ना ताणें म्हाका कडेन विचारलें कशें तुमी गोंयांत काँग्रेस घट करतले, तेन्ना पयलो मुद्दो हो दिल्लो ताका हांवें, फॅमिली राज. देन ताणें म्हाका कितें म्हटलें, आय विल गिव यू अ फ्री हँड, गो हॅड एंड इम्प्लिमेंट युअर डिसिजन वॉट यू वॉन्ट टू डू, माय फूल बॅकींग वील बी देर. 18 तारखे डिसेंबराची म्हजी अपॉइंटमेंट जालें. पयलो स्टेटमेंट हांवें तो दिलो.
करेक्ट.
हालीं 2 म्हयन्या नंतर राहुल गांधी तेंच म्हणपाक लागलो. म्हणटकच आय फील दॅट आय हॅव अ बॅकींग एंड दिस इज नॉट अ ओनली प्रॉब्लम इन गोवा. This could be a problem outside Goa also in the Congress.
John, but the thing is, there is Congress legislature party is not comfortable with your stance. Now that is evident over a period of time from the day you took over. There are certain statements that you made which were right, which I have told even Digvijay Singh, which were not wrong, but they are not going well with your established order in the state. May it be some of those heavyweight MLAs, those heavyweight ex-ministers, they are not comfortable with it. And this is an election year. How are you looking at it?
The legislature wing of the Congress party, I am not here to please any section of the legislature wing or the youth students union or the youth congress or the Seva Dal or the minority cell. I have umpteen, body cells within the party. I am not here to please any individual cell or a group within the Congress. I have to take a broader decision in the interest of the party. If they are not happy with me, then they have to come and discuss. Nobody approached me on any issue telling me that whatever I state will go against the party. I am the first person who will do something for the interest of the party and against the party. If they feel that my statements are going to affect the party, then they should tell me. The statement which you referred at the outset is on the family Raj.
Correct.
So if they want perpetuate family Raj and say now you have to talk that language which we like to be talked by you, I am sorry, I am not going to oblige them. I will take my party stand very firmly.
विश्वजीत's main argument was की प्रताप सिंग राणे एक असे स्टेचर आसा जे दुसऱ्यान कोणे येवन तांगेले रिटायर जावचे काय नाका हे सांगपाची गरज ना.
That is a personal view. I cannot be lectured by any of my congressmen. I am the president and I take decision. And I will not be allowed to be lectured by any individual within the party.
काँग्रेसी भितर एक कल्चर
Let Mr. Rane come and say that I have never mentioned that to John. Then the issue settles there. Who I am to force him?
बट तुमकां प्रामाणिकपणान दिसता की प्रताप सिंग राणे किंवा असे सिनियर मनीस जे आसात पार्टीतले जाणे फाटले 25 वर्सां 30 वर्सां जे इलेक्शन कॉन्टेस्ट करत आसात जाणे स्वताची एक इंडिपेंडंट कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीज तयार केल्यात वोट बँक्स तयार केल्यात यू वॉन्ट टू सेंड देम होम यू आर क्लियर
No, not at all, not at all. That is not my intention at all. There is no question of any individual within the party or within the state establishing a personal vote bank and
That has
personal identity. It should not happen. It will be corrected henceforth. That will not happen. Party will have every right to go every corner and nook of the state of Goa. Personal fiefdom will not be permitted. You know, irrespective of Mr. Rane or anything, and I don't want to discuss any personalities and persons here.
ना हांव कित्याक म्हणटा कारण इलेक्शन टायमा भितर अल्टिमेटली तुमी जेन्ना लोकां म्हऱ्यान वता तेन्ना ह्यो वोट बँक्स जावं ऑर किंवा हे लिडर्स जावं यू नीड
तुम्ही कितें नांव घेतलां थंय आमकडेन दुसरे लोक आसा मोर पॉप्युलर than the names which you have taken. So we also know the political strategy how to deal.
You are saying,
and they are Congress people, by the way, and they are the people who belong to the freedom fighters family. So we know it.
So you are saying की जे तुमचे हेवीवेट्स आशिल्ले तांकां हेवीवेट्स म्हणटाले ते मागीर साश्टी भितर आशिल्ले ते मागीर बार्देसां आशिल्ले तिसवाडी आशिल्ले ह्या हेवीवेट्सांक घेनासतना जॉन फर्नांडीस इज रेडी टू फेस दिस इलेक्शन ओनली ऑन प्रिंसिपल्स आणि complete credibility of the Congress party.
You have to make a beginning to clean the party at some point of times. Election will come and election will go. Parliament election will be there, assembly election will be. You have to make a beginning somewhere. I am told to make a beginning. I am not here to please any individuals or any group or any, feudal lords in any place. I am here to strengthen my party. And if the statements and the issues are not pleasant for them, I think they have to decide as to what they have to do it. But nobody can stop the march of the Congress.
You don't mind tomorrow some heavyweights leaving the party?
No. I am not saying that they should leave or they should come. One, Mr. Narvekar has left. Could I tie him in the Congress? Or could I put, handcuffs on him and hold him in Congress? The doors of Congress are open for everybody to walk in and walk out. But Congress will follow its own principles, in its own path, and its own philosophies.
Just to put it in a proper perspective, you are saying these are the principles, this is the way ahead, and if you are not fine with it, just move aside.
I think it is for them to decide. Party will go in this direction. Party is not here.
Either join or separate?
No. Party is not here, to cater to their personal needs and desires in their own local fiefdom.
So, तुम्ही म्हणता की जर ह्या मार्गान जर तुमकां वचपाचें ना जाल्यार आपलो मार्ग धरात.
अशें सांगलें तांकां हांवें की काँग्रेस ही काँग्रेस जावन येतली आनी काँग्रेस अशीच वयतली. फाटीं आमी कितें पयलें तें गोंयांत बरोबर नासलें तें फाटलें.
It is either join this correction path or you are free to choose your own path.
That is the mandate I got from Rahul Gandhi, that he wants me to build the Congress in Goa for future, not only 2014 and 2017 and 19, but for future. We have to create this new leadership. Otherwise, the same old people, 3-4 families in Goa, they are controlling and they are holding zamindaris on the Congress. That should not be allowed to be continued.
Second issue is regarding you. Now, I am playing devil's advocate here because these are the things which we get to hear from the Congress party.
Yeah.
Many leaders are raising questions about your leadership. They are saying John Fernandez was somewhere in hibernation. He was not active. Suddenly High Command backed him. Suddenly he came on the political scene and now he is teaching us politics.
I was never in hibernation. I was very active nationally and internationally. I went abroad to deliver lectures. and speeches and presented papers on various issues. And even I addressed a conference of the Lincoln's Inn in London and many more such conferences internationally. I was very active at national level. I was not active in Goa because I did not agree these groups, the chieftain which you referred now, where the way they were functioning in the name of the Congress. I did not vibe with them. So I just remained aloof from it, but I resented and complained to my high command that this is not Congress what is happening in Goa.
The general feeling that they are now spreading is John Fernandez was nowhere for last 20 years. Now he is coming on the political scene and he is behaving like a proper dictator within the party. And he is telling us behave like this, don't behave like this, and he is teaching us politics
John Fernandez was a congressman throughout. John Fernandez participated in Congress debates. I was in the PCC, I was in the AICC, but only I was not seen because I never rushed to the cameras and projected myself. I have said that in the past. So it is wrong to say that John Fernandez was not there and John Fernandez was not with them because John Fernandez did not agree what they did. And people of Goa know what they did. So John Fernandez was not with them on those issues.
एक serious the comment काल बाबूशान केला which आयकतकीर म्हाकाय खूब strike जालो. He said जेन्ना ह्या कमेंट्साचेर somewhere अकस्मात सामकी जी CLP ची 9 दिशेनी 9 तोंडां आसतालीं. After this Pratap Singh Rane controversy, suddenly there is some activation and CLP is speaking in one voice.
No, this is not a controversy because we knew it that this would happen. Those people who are affected, those people who want to retain status quo ante, they are the vested elements who will come
suddenly
forward.
CLP is speaking in one voice.
No.
Babush Monserrat is speaking for Pratap Singh Rane. Alex Reginald is speaking for Pratap Singh Rane.
I know how they are speaking and why they are speaking. And I know that will be resentment from these very groups who control Goa through the family Raj. They are the first people who will object.
बाबूशान एक स्टेटमेंट केलें विच आय फाउंड व्हेरी सिरियस जर हांव जर फाल्यां काँग्रेसीक आशिल्लो हांव म्हणजे प्रेसिडेंटाचेर ते स्टेटमेंट करचे पयलीं 10 फावटी चिंतता आशिल्लो.
हांवें बाजून कसलो
येस ही सेड आय एम टेलिंग यू दॅट ही सेड की ज्या मनशाक पक्ष म्हळ्यार कितें तें खबर ना त्या मनशा कडच्यान अशी स्टेटमेंट्स येवप हे अजाप न्ही.
पक्ष कितें तो म्हाका तुमी नांव घेतला ताणें शिकोवपा जाय म्हाका गोंयान पक्ष कितें तो कितल्या पार्टीन आसलो तो म्हाका हिंगा पर्सनॅलिटी.
आय एम आस्किंग बिकॉज दॅट वॉज सिरियस स्टेटमेंट.
सी आय डोंट वॉन्ट टू डिस्कस पर्सन्स अँड पर्सनॅलिटी. आय विल नॉट बी टॉट Congress and congressmen from IRMs and GAIRMs. See, I don't want to discuss personalities here.
Correct.
As far as Congress is concerned, there is nobody in Goa who can teach me about Congressness. I well know it, how it is. Because I am the senior most congressman in Goa. I need not be taught IRMs and GAIRM by tainted people who are tainted in the market. So let us keep it at that. Let us not discuss persons and individuals.
I has to, because that statement was, for me,
I have
it
not.
was too striking.
I have not seen that statement, and I just ignored those statements. Those are irrelevant to me. My people knows me who I am, and my people know also those people what is their character and antecedent publicly and otherwise.
Second thing that they are saying की खंय तरी तुम्ही जेन्ना आपली GPCC चूज केली ती GPCC चूज करताना तुम्ही फाटली कांय वर्सां अशी इनएक्टिव्ह आशिल्ले काँग्रेसमॅन घेवन परत मुखार वचपाक पळयतात.
No, they active. They were very active. They were very, very active. They were with me when Indira Gandhi was out of power. They were with me when Sanjay Gandhi was in the Youth Congress. They were sideline. Throughout they were sideline. And ते तर अशें म्हणटा ते एक्टीव नासले म्हणजे तांच्या बरोबर नासले जाल्यार दॅट इज नॉट अ फेर चार्ज. बिकॉज जेन्ना तुमी काँग्रेस अपॉयंटमेंट कितें मानना आनी अशेंच तुमी तुमचीच पर्सनल अजेंडा घेवन फुडें वयतात हे जे काँग्रेसमॅन आसा कमिटेड ते तुमचे बरोबर येवचे ना. फॉर एग्जाम्पल मी